G'day folks, this is another S Group daily review video, video number 82 here. As you see on this video, compared to my last one, my account has now grown over $22,000, which I'm really excited about. A lot has happened in the last 12 hours. So for starters, so today's Saturday, we got our last earnings for the week last night. So I'm going to go in here, check the notification bot. As you see, last night we made 0.31%. So I made $51.75 last night. It was another lower day, but I still made some decent money because, I have a good chunk of change invested in the S group. So that came in last night. Also last night, just before I went to bed, I took my 2 deposits or investments that I had running here. I'll just switch over to the forex market. So I'm in forex here. Scroll down to my 2 investments. What I did was, guys, I took these 2 investments that were running, checked these boxes, and then clicked on Start Combine, or actually Combine Deposits, I should say, which is right over here. What that did, guys, is that took my monthly earnings and threw it up to the top here, so I had money up there. And then what I did, guys, was I had about $600. Yeah, I had $600 up here. It was $595. That's what it was. So it was close to 600. And so what I did was, guys, I took, of the $600, I reinvested 242 because I actually wanted to get my account to 22,000 there. And then what I did was I withdrew the rest, which happened to be, as you can actually see all my activity here, guys. So see the first one here, merge S forex deposits. That's what I did. New investment 242, which I just showed you. And then I took out 340.16 US. And I just got a notification 12 hours later. So I made the request at 9:30 p.m. last night, and then 10:30, actually no, it's just before 10:30, so a little over 12 hours, guys, the withdrawal approval went through. So it did actually go through in the system here. So that money is going to show up in my S wallet in the next probably maybe 20-30 minutes from now. And then once that happens, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert it to Bitcoin, and then I'm going to switch it to my ShakePay account, and then from then I can switch it over to my checking account via e-transfer, and then I'll have the money to spend. I just need that money for some bills and stuff like that. So as you can see, guys, you could take some of the money you make, reinvest it back in the system, and then withdraw the other remaining amount. You can do it in any denomination you want. And then I'm going to do the same cycle 2 weeks from now, guys. So yeah, I can't believe it. I have my account at 22,000, guys. Just think 2 years ago, I was at like $200. Now I'm over 22,000 trading in forex. So very exciting times, guys. And yeah, if you guys are just kind of coming across these videos in S Group on YouTube, want to get a little bit more information, you can go and check out all the other videos on my channel. There's some explanation videos in there as well. Just wanted to show you guys my progress here. Just do these daily 5-minute review videos so you can guys can see my results and my growth with my account. It's very exciting, and yeah, guys, I'd love for you to be a part of this. You can click on the sign up link down below. You can join my team, and after you join my team, of course, it's free to join. You could just shoot me an email, let me know you joined, or and then ask me any questions you have. It's very straightforward, guys. There's many ways you can invest in this system. Forex is the most popular one, which I have all my money in, as you can see here, 22,058 cents. And okay, so I'm getting close to the end of my 5-minute daily review video here, guys. Don't want to talk too much. You can click on the sign up link down below and sign up underneath my team. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below so you can see all my future updates and with my account, and I love sharing these results with you guys so you guys can see the same type of results you can get if you have money invested in forex. All right, so see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.